Hello, this is Chidi Ejikogu and you are welcome to Learn Computer in 24 Hours. Like you well know, this is the 21st century. It's a century powered by information, from health to communication to commerce to government, entertainment, management, and to basically every other aspect of human endeavor. In this century, you can only go thus far in proportion to the knowledge you have, and how creatively you apply the acquired knowledge. The computer is that agent of information. With the computer, you have a valuable tool of knowledge base at your disposal. Now, the big question is, are you computer literate? You see, computer literacy is not basically the ability to operate a computer. As a matter of fact, it has long outgrown that definition. Like contemporary literacy, which is the ability to use written and numeric information in order to do everyday tasks, computer literacy in the same light is the ability to use computers and related technology creatively and efficiently, covering a range of low, medium, and high level skills. Not to have this ability is like a cassette player in the world of iPod. Now, a person who is highly skilled is worth more money in the economy than a person who is less skilled and can easily be replaced in the labor market. Now, the goal is to acquire and develop new skill that is relevant in the labor market and answers an important need in the workplace. If you keep a list of goals that you would intend to acquire over time, computer skills should rank very high in that list. You see, an ICT adoption report in Europe has it that over 90% of all the jobs in Europe will require some form of IT skill by 2015, and we have lots of Nigerian youths swarming abroad for jobs. Well, if you get a job, you will earn wages, you will get paycheck. But if you find a work, you can make a fortune, transform your life, change your economy and the society. The interesting part of it is that you get to have a lot of fun on the way making a fortune. Now, here is the key. There are few jobs in Nigeria quite alright, but there are lots of work, and I mean lots of work. The ratio of work in Nigeria is very high compared to many other countries in the world. This 24-hour computer training program will equip you with all the essential information and skill you need to be efficient, creative, competent, and comfortable with computer and other related technologies. Now, what can you get from this training program? 1. You would learn the computer in 24 hours. 2. You would save more than 10 times the conventional cost of learning the computer. You would save more than 10 times the effort and stress if you were to learn the computer any other way. Here, you would learn at the comfort of your place of convenience. You will learn better, and of course, you would learn faster. The reason is because this training program will provide you with all the essential skills in a simple but very efficient manner to learn and master the computer. You don't have to pay the exorbitant fee of learning the computer for weeks and months to be competent in computing. This 24-hour video training program will help you maximize every effort you apply, as well as save you the physical stress and discomfort of learning the computer the usual way. You would learn and practice at your own pace. Now, this is the interesting part, because you can always press rewind and then play. According to a recent study, the best form of learning is self-learning. This is in line with the ancient statement of fact: imagination is the best form of knowledge, Aristotle. This 24-hour computer training program is designed to tickle your creative faculties and sharpen your imagination ability with practical mind-engaging tests at the end of every course. Now, I may warn you, as you progress in this training, your creative faculty will be disturbed, engaged, and finally empowered. So don't be afraid to ask your questions as your mind begins to expand on this subject. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes. He who does not ask a question is a fool forever. Chinese proverb. Now, it is recommended that you watch and study this video training program at least twice before laying your hands on any computer to practice the skills that are taught herein. Good.